Hello everyone, this is Cutback. Are you still searching multiple sites for free photos and videos? In this video, I'll show you how to quickly find and add copyright-free photos and videos directly to your sequence in Premiere Pro. First, open Cutback. You can search multiple copyright-free sites like Pexels, Pixabay, Unsplash, and even Jiffy all at once. Select photos, videos, GIFs, or stickers, and enter keyword that you want to search. Now you'll see several options appear. Just click on the one you like, and Cutback will automatically add it to your sequence. You can also browse any sites you want, like Google. Let's try Cutback's website. Hit Add Images and select the image you want. If you want, you can also do simple image edits like background removal without going to Photoshop. All saved images are stored in a single folder along the same path as your project file, so you don't have to worry about losing them. That's it for today, guys. Thank you, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you next time. Bye!